Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. I'm here with another tutorial from series of the SQL command, and in this tutorial I would like to talk about the alter command. So before we jump to the pgAdmin and do some practices in pgAdmin, I prepared some slides which can explain which kind of the actions you can do with the alter command. And let's first start with those slides, and then we will jump back to pgAdmin. Okay, uh, alter clause allows for the changes to existing table structure, and it's including some actions like adding, dropping, or renaming columns. If you want to change the column data type, or if you want to set the default value for a column, even you can add the check constraint, or maybe you would need to rename the table. So all these actions, it's possible with the alter command. Then for general syntax, you would need to write alter table and then table name, and then it need to tell the action. So this action, it could be the adding the columns. So in that case, you have to write down alter table, table name, and also add column, define the column name and data type. In this scenario, you can add the column, or you want to removing the columns. So in that case, you can use the alter table name, and also drop column and that specific column name, and then it will drop that column. If you want to define some constraint, then you have to write alter table name, alter column and column name, and then you can set the default value for that column, or maybe you can drop that default value, set not null. You can set for the not null, or you can drop not null from that column. And if you need to add a constraint, so add constraint and then definition of that constraint. Maybe check constraint, for example. These are the actions which you can do with the alter command. So now let's jump to the pgAdmin and then to see how it will work. Okay, now I am in pgAdmin. Same as always, we would need the query tool. So we will go to the query tool, and then first I would like to define the one table and then do some actions based on this table. So I'm going to use a create table. We had a session for create a table. If you would like to see that, also you can watch that video specifically we discussed. So I'm giving as a information the name for this table, and then I'm defining info ID as a serial, primary key, title, varchar. I'm defining as a 500, and I'm saying okay, let's give it as a not. No, oops, that's wrong. Okay, then I'm going to give as a person. Again, I'm not explaining that. If again, if you would like to know about the details of that, please watch video for create a table. I explained deeply about the create the table over there. Okay, then let's close this. Person varchar not null and unique. Okay, now I created this table, and let me just delete. And yeah, info ID, title, and person. So now I want to use the alter command, and then say the table, and give him the name of the table, which is information. And then I want to rename the table. I'm using the rename to what is the new, for example, the name I'm giving as a new underscore info. Okay, then let's start. Perfect. And then now select everything. Just I want to, oops, let's use the last name. Okay, you can see here there is no information because we already changed this information name to new underscore info. And here you go. You see, now already it's changed the name of the table. So now I would like to change the name of the one column. So in that case, I have to say alter table from the new info, and then rename column, because I have the column person here. I want to change it to, let's say, people. Okay, then it's successfully done. Let's delete this and select everything from new underscore info. Let's see. Here you go. You see, now the person changed to the people. The next command which I would like to do that, I want to add some values into table. So let's use it. Insert into new info, and let give it to the title, and then values, for example, like new title. Okay, now it's giving me the fail because the people relation violate the not null constraint. Now the people column is as a not null. That's why we cannot keep it without any information. We have to put some data on that one. I'm going to remove this constraint, and then we will try again this value to see whether it's working or no. So let me write some condition which to drop this constraint. We can say in alter table, and the table new info, and then alter column people drop, not null. Okay, so oops, here no problem. Okay, successfully is done. Then let's try again. Paste this value. Here you go. Now successfully is done. Let's check to the before. You see now the people now is null, and we remove that condition which before was as a not null, but now there is no condition for people, and we could add some value as a title here. This is a command for removing the condition. So we could remove for example, the condition. We have renamed the table, we have renamed the columns, and all the actions which we explained, we have done through this pgAdmin. Okay, we have done, and we are completed for this session, and I hope you enjoyed from this tutorial. And if you liked this tutorial, please don't forget to like button, and if you have any question, you can drop your question in comment below, and definitely I will get back to you with the answer. Thank you again, and see you in next one.